Hello everyone. Acne is not just a skin problem. It is a asterisk skin condition caused by multiple internal and external factors. Treating acne correctly requires consistency, patience, and the right skincare habits, not harsh products or over-cleansing. Acne happens when pores get clogged with oil, sebum, dead skin cells build up, bacteria multiply inside clogged pores, inflammation develops. Acne can appear as whiteheads, blackheads, papules, pustules, cystic acne, hormonal acne. Before starting any routine, remember this golden rule. Healthy skin heals slowly, but damaged skin gets worse quickly. Skin types and acne. Before any routine, identify your skin type. Oily skin, AS oil, shiny face, frequent breakouts, asterisk, dry skin, tight feeling, flaking, irritation, asterisk, combination skin, asterisk, oily T-zone, dry cheeks, asterisk, sensitive skin, redness, burning, itching easily, asterisk, acne-prone skin, asterisk, can be oily or dry but breaks out easily. Acne care is asterisk, not one product fits all. Step 1. Gentle cleansing, asterisk, purpose. Remove oil, sweat, bacteria, and overnight buildup without stripping skin. Asterisk, how to do it. Use a asterisk, gentle, sulfate-free cleanser. Wash face for asterisk 30-40 seconds, asterisk, lukewarm water. Massage lightly with fingertips, rinse well and pat dry with a clean towel. Asterisk, avoid scrubs in the morning. Hot water, harsh foaming cleansers. Asterisk, best ingredients to look for. Salicylic acid, low percent. Niacinamide, green tea, ceramides. Step 2. Toner, asterisk, purpose. Balances skin pH, removes leftover residue, prepares skin for treatments. Asterisk, choose alcohol-free toner only. Asterisk, good ingredients. Witch hazel, alcohol-free rose water. Centella asiatica, niacinamide, apply with clean hands, preferred, or cotton pad, gentle. Step 3. Serum, asterisk, morning serum options. Asterisk, vitamin C, for acne marks. Niacinamide, oil control, hyaluronic acid, hydration. How to apply. 2 to 3 drops, gently press into skin. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Before next. Step 4. Moisturize or skipping moisturizer, asterisk, makes acne worse. Choose ash, oil-free, non-comedogenic, gel or lotion texture. Benefits: maintains skin barrier, reduces irritation, controls oil production naturally. Step 5. Sunscreen. If you skip sunscreen, asterisk, your acne marks will never fade. Choose asterisk, STES 30 or higher, gel-based, non-comedogenic, broad spectrum. Asterisk, apply 2 finger lengths, cover face plus neck. Reapply every 3-4 hours if outdoors. Step 1. Double cleansing, asterisk, first cleanse. Asterisk, micellar water or cleansing oil. Dissolve sunscreen in dirt. Asterisk, second cleanse. Gentle face wash, same as morning cleanser. This prevents clogged pores. Step 2. Toner, soothing only. At night, toner should be asterisk, calming, not harsh. Best ingredients: aloe vera, green tea, centella, chamomile. Step 3. Acne terebinth. This is where people destroy their skin. Don't. Treatment options. Choose 1. Ask. Salicylic acid, 2-3 nights week. Benzoyl peroxide. Spot treatment. Retinol, low strength, 2 nights week. Azelaic acid. Safe for beginners. Asterisk, rules. Never mix too many actives. Start slow. Use pea-sized amount. Avoid eye area. Step 4. Night moisturizer. Night moisturizer should be slightly richer, repair skin barrier, reduce irritation. Ingredients to look for: ceramides, panthenol, squalane, niacinamide, exfoliation, 1-2 times a week only. Asterisk, best option: chemical exfoliation. Avoid harsh scrubs. Good acids: salicylic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid. Benefits: clears pores, reduces blackheads, smooths skin texture. Face masks, once a week. Asterisk, clay masks, a burb oil, reduce breakouts. Asterisk, masks, calm irritated acne skin, prevent dryness. Never use masks daily. Acne mistakas that ruin skin. Overwashing face, touching pimples. Popping acne. Using too many products, skipping moisturizer, ignoring sunscreen, switching products too often. Lifestyle habits. For clear skin, skincare alone is not enough. Diet tips. Reduce sugar. Avoid excessive dairy. Drink enough water. Eat fruits and vegetables. Hygiene. Clean pillowcases twice a week. Don't touch face. Clean phone screen. Wash makeup brushes. Stress and sleep. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Manage stress. Exercise regularly. How long does ante take to improve? Mild acne, 4 to 6 weeks. Moderate acne, 8 to 12 weeks. Severe acne. Dermatologist, required consistency beats everything. Final skincare golden rules. Simple routine works best. Gentle products heal skin. Less is more. Protect your skin barrier. Be patient. Different types of anti-yen. How to treat them correctly. Not all acne is the same. Using the wrong treatment for the wrong acne type asterisk makes skin worse. 1 point. Whiteheads asterisk, what they are? Closed clogged pores trapped under skin. Ask treatment. Ascaris salicylic acid BHA, gentle exfoliation, non-comedogenic products asterisk, avoid. Heavy creams, thick oils, physical scrubs. 2 blackheads asterisk, what they are asterisk, what they are. Open pores oxidized by air, not dirt. Ask best treatment. Asterisk salicylic acid clay masks once a week. Proper cleansing. Asterisk never squeeze blackheads. This enlarges pores permanently. 3 pabulas pustulis. Cause Castorocus cans. Bacterial inflammation. Hormonal imbalance. Overuse of harsh products. Asterisk benzoyl peroxide. Spot only. Azelaic acid. Calming moisturizers. CY stick. Hormonal SREs. Signs. Hask. Painful. Deep acne. Appears on jawline. Chin. Comes before periods or stress. Asterisk best approach. Gentle routine. Retinol. Low strength. Azelaic acid. Dermatologist guidance. Celix will. ICACIC best for. Oily skin. Blackheads. Whiteheads asterisk. How to use asterisk. 2-3 times per week. Night routine. Low concentration. First benzoyl peroxide D. Asterisk best for. Inflammatory acne. Active pimples. Asterisk use as. Spot treatment only. Very small amount. Can cause dryness if overused. Retinol. Retinol's asterisk gold standard for acne plus anti-aging. Asterisk benefits. Prevents clogged pores. Smooth skin. Reduces acne scars. Asterisk rules. Start once or twice weekly. Use at night only. Moisturize well. Always wear sunscreen next day. Azilike AZIC astash. Best for. Sensitive acne skin. Redness acne marks. Asterisk safe to use regularly. Niacinamide stash. Benefits. Controls oil. Reduces. Redness. Strengthens skin barrier. Safe for daily use. ACNE marks. Brown or red spots. Fade over time. Asterisk. Best ingredients. Asterisk. Vitamin C. Niacinamide. Azelaic acid. Sunscreen. ACNE scars. Ice pick scars. Box scars. Rolling scars. Skincare alone cannot fully fix deep scars. Professional treatments may be needed. Chemical peels, micro-needling, laser therapy. Section 4. ACNE and skin barrier. If your skin barrier is damaged, acne increases, skin burns easily, products sting, sickness of damaged skin barrier, constant redness, burning sensation, flaky yet oily skin, sudden breakouts. How to repair skin barrier. Skin barrier. Satnarastrosk. All actives for 7 to 14 days. Use only. Gentle cleanser, barrier repair, moisturizer, sunscreen. Ingredients to heal barrier. Ceramides, panthenol, squalane, Centella asiatica. Foods that may trigger acne. Not for everyone, but common. Excess sugar, processed food, excess dairy, fast food, whey protein, foods that support clear skin, fruits and vegetables, omega-3 rich foods, zinc-rich foods, water, hydration. Number hens. Diet alone won't cure acne, but it supports healing. 6. ACNE and HYGNE habits. Small habits equals big difference. Change pillowcases twice a week. Clean makeup brushes weekly. Avoid touching face. Clean phone screen daily. Tie hair away from face. 7. ACNE routine timeline. Week 1-2. Possible purging. Mild dryness week 3-4. Fewer new pimples, skin adjusting, week 6-8. Acne reduction. Improved texture week 12+. Clearer skin. Faded marks. Consistency is everything. Section 8. When to see a dermatologist, seek professional help if severe cystic acne, acne causing scars, no improvement after 3 months, painful or spreading acne. Final words, Part 2. Acne healing is not instant. Clear skin is built through correct knowledge, gentle care, long-term consistency. Thank you for watching.